There it is.
Sunday morning coffee tastes different.
Does it?
It does,
Why?
because nobody is asking me to hurry.
Ah, that's the real reason.
Exactly.
I understand that. I like slow mornings too.
What does your morning look like?
I usually wake up a little later than I do during the week.
How much later?
Maybe 30 minutes.
That's it?
Sometimes an hour.
Still very responsible.
I can't sleep until 10 anymore.
Me neither.
Even when I try, I wake up.
And then?
I open the curtains, make coffee, and walk around the house very quietly.
Why quietly?
Because if everyone else is still asleep, I want to enjoy it.
You're protecting the silence.
Exactly.
That's a very Sunday thing.
It really is.
Do you have a special Sunday breakfast?
Not special exactly.
Bigger?
Usually slower.
Ah,
During the week, breakfast is quick.
something you can eat and leave.
Right, toast, fruit, maybe yogurt.
Coffee,
Obviously.
obviously.
But on Sunday, we have more time.
So what do you make?
Sometimes eggs,
Good choice.
toast, fruit, maybe pancakes, if someone feels ambitious.
Someone?
Usually not me.
Oh.
What about your family?
We usually keep breakfast simple too.
Eggs?
Sometimes, but the nice thing isn't really the food.
What is it?
Everyone can sit down together.
Yeah, that's different.
During the week, people are thinking about the time.
I need to leave.
Where are my keys?
Did you pack everything?
Exactly.
But Sunday breakfast can be slow.
You can sit there a little longer.
Talk.
Have another cup of coffee.
Maybe too much coffee.
There's no such thing.
I knew you were going to say that. Okay, we've had the peaceful morning.
Here it comes.
Now let's talk about housework.
Do we have to?
Yes,
Fine.
because I think this is where a real family Sunday begins.
That's true.
What do you usually do?
Laundry is a big one.
Same.
It's amazing how much laundry a family can make in 1 week.
I know.
You look at the basket and think, how?
Exactly.
Where did all these clothes come from?
And towels.
And bed sheets.
And things you don't even remember using.
Yes.
I usually sort the laundry first.
Light clothes and dark clothes?
Right. Towels separately too.
Do you enjoy doing laundry?
Enjoy?
That answer came quickly.
I don't hate it.
That's not the same thing.
No. But I like the feeling when everything is clean and folded.
I understand that.
Folding is okay.
Putting everything away is the part I don't like.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Because once the clothes are folded, I feel like the job should be finished.
But it's not.
Exactly. Then you still have to put everything away.
I think a lot of people understand that feeling.
Do you clean the whole house on Sunday?
Not always.
Good.
Why did you say good?
Because I was starting to feel lazy. Seriously, though.
Usually we just do the things that need attention.
Like what?
Vacuum the floor, wipe the table, clean the kitchen.
Bathroom?
Sometimes.
That's already quite a lot.
It sounds like a lot when you say it slowly.
That's true.
Sometimes I say, let's just clean for 10 minutes.
Ah,
You know that tone.
I know exactly what that means.
What does it mean?
It means 45 minutes.
Not always.
30?
Maybe 30.
There we go.
But once you start, you see other things.
Right.
You wipe the table.
Then you notice the floor.
You clean the floor.
Then you see something on the shelf.
And suddenly you're cleaning a room you didn't plan to clean.
That's how Sunday disappears.
Exactly.
What about lunch?
Sunday lunch is important
Why?
because I don't want it to feel rushed.
So you usually cook?
Usually.
Something complicated?
No.
Good answer.
Sunday is not the day I want to spend 3 hours in the kitchen.
Same.
Something simple is better.
Soup?
Sometimes.
Rice?
Yes, rice, vegetables, maybe chicken or fish.
Sounds good.
Sometimes we use food from the day before.
Leftovers.
Right.
I actually like leftovers.
Me too.
Sometimes food tastes better the next day.
Especially soup.
Exactly.
Do you cook on Sunday?
I do.
Really?
Why does everyone sound surprised when I say that?
I'm just asking.
Yes, I cook.
What's your easy Sunday meal?
Fried rice.
Of course.
It's perfect.
Why?
You can use whatever you already have.
Vegetables,
Rice,
eggs,
a little meat if you have some.
and only one pan.
That's the most important part.
Ha. You know what I like most about Sunday?
Tell me.
That moment after lunch. The kitchen is clean,
Hopefully.
hopefully,
The main housework is done,
mostly done.
and nobody needs to go anywhere.
Exactly.
That's a good feeling.
That's when Sunday finally becomes slow again.
What do you usually do?
Sometimes I read,
Nice.
sometimes I watch something,
Movie?
maybe, but honestly,
Here we go.
sometimes I lie down and look at my phone.
Thank you for telling the truth.
I'm not going to pretend. I spend every Sunday reading a beautiful book beside a window.
That's very specific.
You know the pictures I'm talking about.
Yes.
Real Sunday is sometimes just lying on the sofa for 20 minutes
And saying, I'm not sleeping.
while your eyes are closed.
Exactly. So, do you take naps?
Sometimes.
How long?
I try to keep it short.
Try.
Yes,
20 minutes?
that's the plan.
And reality?
Maybe 40? What?
That's not a short nap.
It is on Sunday.
Different rules?
Completely different rules.
I don't usually nap.
Never?
Almost never.
Why?
If I sleep in the afternoon, I wake up confused. I don't know what day it is.
That's a deep nap.
Exactly. So I usually just sit down with coffee or tea.
More coffee?
Sometimes.
Ethan?
Fine, tea.
Do you usually spend Sunday at home?
Most of the time.
No big trips?
Not every Sunday.
Same.
Sometimes staying home is exactly what everyone needs.
I agree.
During the week, everyone has a schedule.
Work.
School,
Appointments.
things to finish.
Placers to go.
But Sunday can be the one day when everyone is just around.
I like that phrase. Just around.
Yeah.
Nobody is doing anything special.
Someone is in the kitchen.
Someone is watching TV.
Someone is reading.
Someone is doing absolutely nothing.
That's usually me.
I was waiting for that.
But you're still together.
Exactly.
I think that's one of the nicest parts of a normal Sunday.
Nothing exciting has to happen.
Do you ever go out on Sunday?
Sure.
Where?
Sometimes we go for a walk.
Morning or evening?
Late afternoon is nice.
Especially when it's cooler.
Exactly.
Shopping?
Only if we need something.
I try to avoid shopping centers on Sunday.
Too busy?
Too busy.
Same.
I like simple plans.
Like coffee somewhere?
Coffee, a walk, maybe buy a few groceries.
Then home.
Then home.
That's the key part.
Yes.
Sunday doesn't need a big plan.
Sometimes a small plan is better.
But there's one point in Sunday that I don't like.
I think I know.
Around 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Something changes.
Sunday starts feeling shorter.
Exactly.
In the morning, it feels like you have all day.
Then suddenly, it's 5.
You look outside,
The light is changing.
and your brain says,
Tomorrow is Monday.
coffee,
Of course.
a nice meal,
Of course.